Drove it in my truck right after a beer. Hey, that bump is shaped like a deer. DUI, how about you die? I'll go 100 miles an hour. Little do you know, I filled up on gas. I'm a git, your fountain making ass. Pulverized as fuck with my carbon truck. It seems you're out of luck. Bears on the sea, blood is on the grass. Wanna meet the feet with cops right on my ass. You may have a fleet, but still I'm driving fast. I'll never be passed. I just saved the world from the darkest towns. Killed a little girl, then from the town. Give this truck a whirl, heavy is my crown, but I won't go down. Drive, 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 but I am speed. 7 beers are all I need. Try, just try, but I will lead. I bet that you're peeing your pants. Drive, 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 but I still speed. 7 beers, a pinch of weed. Has fry, fry, fry my brain. I need some more to proceed. Drive, 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 but I am speed. 7 beers are all I need. Try, just try, but I will lead. I bet that you're peeing your pants. Drive, 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 but I still speed. 7 beers, a pinch of weed. Have fry, fry, fry my brain. I need some more to proceed. Shit, did my dumb ass just really hit a tree? Now I get up on my feet and try to flee, but I can't run. Was it maybe all that weed? If I speak to them, maybe I'll be free. But they've got guns. What happens when they see my weed? Did I really just rhyme weed with weed? Alright, listen, I can't be arrested. I'm like the Mountain King or some shit in another universe. And that deer has some powers. I'm doing this world a favor. Please, don't lock me up. I just saved the world, my thanks to 30 years to life. For that girl to be alive and me to miss my wife. Can't be in a cage, I'm all fire's gonna die. I've gotta go and born and raised, I need a butterscotch pie. I'm a star, how you see? I can only cry and moan. There'll be a friend inside of me. If I drop the fucking soap, I just wanna go home. Wish I hadn't gotten stoned. Now I'm stuck behind bars while my wife is getting boned. K-Dot, I'll miss you. Go seal that dark fountain. Also,